Terminating an employee in accounting software is a straightforward process. Before initiating the termination, it's essential to approve or reset any pending leaves for the employee in question. To do this, navigate to the payroll menu and select the leave option. From there, review any pending leave requests for the employee to be terminated. For instance, if the termination date is set for July 15th, any scheduled leaves after this date should be rejected. To reject a leave, click on the menu next to the leave request and select the reject option. Next, configure the leave payout setting by going to the payroll menu, selecting employees, and clicking on the employee's name to open their details. Then, select the Leave tab and click on the Hours option at the bottom of the leave details. Set the termination unused balance to payout and click Save. After configuring the leave payout setting, click on the Personal Care or Leave option and ensure that the termination unused balance is set to Not Payout, unless otherwise specified by company policy or employment contract. With the leave payout setting configured, the final pay can be processed. To do this, click on Payroll, then Pay Employees, and select Add Pay Run. Choose the appropriate pay period and click Next. On the following screen, select the employee to be terminated and click on their name to view their pay slip. Scroll down and select the Set as Final Pay option. Then set the termination date and reason for termination. Choose the Full Pay Period Earnings option, or enter the actual earnings or average earnings manually. Review the pay slip to ensure all components, including outstanding wages, leave payout, and applicable taxes, are accurately reflected. Save the pay slip to finalize it, and the employee will be terminated on the selected date. To report the termination to tax authorities, click on Payroll, then Employees, or Pay Employees, and select the Single Touch Payroll Settings option. If Single Touch Payroll hasn't been set up, follow the steps to connect to the relevant tax authority. Once set up, click on Payroll, then Single Touch Payroll, and select the relevant pay containing the employee's final pay. Submit the pay to the tax authority by clicking on the Submit option.